Do you know what a cognate is? It's nice to find one when you're learning a second language. It's a word that looks similar to a word in your first language and it has the same meaning. They often have the same root. In the case of English and Spanish, these words usually come from Latin. Pero espera, but wait. We're also surrounded by false cognates, or as we call them, false friends, falsos amigos. Words that look similar and they might even share the same root, but they have evolved to have a completely different meaning. Here are 10 major false friends that betray any English speaker learning Spanish. Watch until the end of the video for a very fun anecdote. Número 1. Actual and actual. Actual means current or present. La situación actual means the current situation, not the actual situation. The most common mistake is to try to translate actually as actualmente. Use de hecho instead. No me gusta correr. De hecho, lo odio. I don't like to run. Actually, I hate it. 2. Librería and library. Librería means bookstore. To say library, use biblioteca. Pides prestados libros en la biblioteca y compras libros en la librería. You borrow books at the library and you buy books at the bookstore. 3. Asistir a and to assist. Asistir means to attend. For example, to attend a class or an event. Voy a asistir a la reunión means I'm going to attend the meeting, not I'm going to assist in the meeting. We rarely use it to mean assisting a person and only in formal contexts, like medical or legal assistance. For example, el médico asistió al paciente. The doctor tended to or helped the patient. Translate to assist as ayudar or apoyar. Could you assist in the meeting? ¿Podrías apoyar en la reunión? Número 4. Atender and to attend. Atender usually means to look after, to assist, or to pay attention to. Voy a atender al cliente. I'm going to help the customer. It does not mean to attend an event. As we just said, to talk about attending an event, we use asistir. Voy a asistir a la conferencia. I'm going to attend the conference. 5. Embarazada and embarrassed. Embarazada means pregnant. It's very funny when the macho men say, estoy embarazado, by accident. Translate embarrassed as avergonzado. El chico está avergonzado por lo que acaba de decir. This guy is embarrassed about what he just said. Before we continue, here's a short message from our sponsor. Just kidding, we don't have a sponsor yet. My sponsor is myself. So if you want to support my content, please go to literalspanish.com and check out my courses. Or you can buy me coffee in the description. Now let's continue. 6. Fábrica and fabric. Fábrica means factory, a place where goods are made. In English, fabric refers to a material. Él trabaja en una fábrica de zapatos. He works in a shoe factory. To say fabric, use tela. La bolsa está hecha de tela. The bag is made of fabric. 7. Large and largo. Largo means long, not large. Estas hojas son largas. These leaves are long. Translate large as grande. Los elefantes son grandes. Elephants are large. 8. Realizar and to realize. Realizar usually means to carry out, to perform, or to achieve. It does not mean to realize as in becoming aware of something. Voy a realizar un proyecto means I'm going to carry out a project. To express awareness, use darse cuenta de. Me di cuenta de mi error. I realized my mistake. 9. Advertencia and advertisement. Advertencia means warning, not advertisement. Había una advertencia en la etiqueta. There was a warning on the label. Translate advertisement as publicidad, and a single ad can be translated as un anuncio or un comercial. Veo muchos anuncios en redes sociales. I see many ads on social media. Now here's my funny story. I have a friend who does climbing. He's a native English speaker learning Spanish. Now, a lot of climbing uses ropes, but there's a specific style that uses no ropes. He was trying to tell me he was trying that new style without the ropes, saying, "Estoy escalando sin las ropas." Well, I completely cracked up because he was actually saying he was climbing without clothes. En fin, anyway, keep an eye out for more false friends. And if you want to continue perfecting your Spanish, you can watch my video on 10 different ways to use the verb quedar.